Welcome back, Brett here, and we're getting into Core Web Vitals. Okay, here we are. So as we go down to Core Web Vitals, you're going to see how Google deems the mobile site to respond and how Google deems the desktop site to respond. Now, what does this have to do with? This has to do with essentially Google's designation of your user experience based on mobile or desktop. So in this case, we're going to start with, I guess we'll go with mobile first. And we have some critical alerts because we have 129 pages ranking on mobile. And we'll see here that we have some issues. Now, this is a CLS issue, and you'll notice all 129 pages have this. This is an INP issue, and this is an LCP. Now, this is getting into what we might call technical SEO. So again, if you really want to get deep into these, you can go over to the SEO course and we can get into technical SEO. Now, in the case of CLS issues, this has to do with a content layout shift issue. And you can see on mobile, it has to be less than 0.25 seconds. And this is fairly challenging to get lower. We have done a lot of technical SEO. We brought our page load speed a year or two ago down from like a 30-second page load speed down to like a 3-second page load speed. And so our pages are actually quite fast. The reason we rank so well and have so much traffic is because our website outperforms all of our competitors' website. Now, does it live up to what Google designates as good? No, it's apparently poor. And the question is how do you rank number one? And it's to have better content than all of your competitors. Now, would it be really good to come in here and fix all these things? Yeah, absolutely. Get them all in the green. And that's something that we have been working on. But again, you can get the result you want for your client even without hitting these benchmarks if all of the competitors don't hit any of these. And one of the funniest sites I've seen on these technical SEOs is Nike. Nike doesn't keyword target anything. Their page load speed is abysmal. I mean, it's hilarious. They keyword target their brand name, so I guess that's not accurate. But their page load speed, all these CLS, INP, LCP, is just it's crazy. So, and obviously they rank number one for shoes and everywhere. And so when you have these and you look at this, you have to understand just because it's red does not necessarily mean you're not going to be able to get results for your client. Now, if you're in a super competitive industry and every website in your industry is just optimized to the nines, then you're going to have to get in here and you're going to have to get technical with your SEO. Okay, so this is a content layout shift, or how long does it take that content to shift to fit that mobile screen? And it has to be less than a quarter second. So that is quite fast. All right. Needs improvement. So these aren't critical. And you can see here, this one, which is another, content issue, has to be less than longer than 200 milliseconds. We can click on this and get more into here. And you'll see affected URLs. For a second there, we were doing good, and then we went back. And you can see here, this page is having a problem, and this actually dropped recently. We only have one. This is the only page. Affected URLs, exam URL groups. Group INP. Yeah, so my guess is this is all the blogs, but either way, 247 milliseconds is too long by 47 milliseconds. We got to shave that down under 200, and this will turn green. Okay. Now, again, we have the best blogs really amongst many of our competitors, which is why we still are going to rank really well. They have still not optimized for mobile at all. We have optimized for mobile a lot and are still not quite where we want to be, but nonetheless. Coming over here, largest content paint means the longest it takes for the page to totally finish loading. So when you get into technical SEO, there's shortest content paint, first content paint, longest content paint, the layout shifts. There's all kinds of ways that you can benchmark a page. And so it's either just some of the ways that we benchmark a page. Now, you'll see here, the largest content paint cannot be longer than 2.5 seconds, and we are at 3.6. So now I will say, when you get down to this level of granularity with technical SEO, cutting fractions of a second off starts to become very hard. How could we cut down fraction? And again, this is different for every site, but in our case, having known all the technical SEO that we've done to get it from 30 seconds all the way down, what else could we do? We could integrate what are called AMP pages and cut out tons of stuff off of our website. That's something we have been looking into. There are issues that come along with that. That's one thing we could do, and that cuts out a ton of complexity. And so we could probably cut 0.6 seconds off, or I guess about a second off there. Something like that would probably be possible. We could also pay for a designated server with our host. And now those, would that be lightning fast? Absolutely. You'd have all the bandwidth. You would have everything to yourself on your server through your host, your web host. But also you're looking at $300, $400, $500, $600, $800, $1,000 a month to have that server to yourself. And so that may not be feasible for many businesses. And so with this is the largest content paint. And so some other ways you can go in and optimize for this are definitely image resizing tools and image compression tools, image conversion tools. So changing it from a PNG to a WebP file, for example. WebPs are made to load fast on the internet. So that is a great thing. Those are all things we've done on our site to really bring it down. Okay, so this is Core Web Vitals. And if you're not ranking well, and you notice there is a correlation between, let's say your desktop, we'll go backwards here. Let's say your desktop is all green and you're crushing it in the search engine rankings for desktop, but your mobile's red and you really don't rank well for mobile. There's definitely something that could be looked into there to see if you can bring down that load speed or speed up the load speed, and you might start seeing yourself rank some more. So Core Web Vitals is going to affect ranking in some cases. So this is Core Web Vitals. In the next video, we're going to get into HTTPS. We'll see you there.